day 2 of exams and I have like 3 subjects today. So, hindi kayo sasama sa akin ngayon, but it's just an update. So guys, I'm gonna go out. Actually, hindi pa tapos yung finals namin. But, yan, sama kayo with me. Hi guys, so finally finals is over now. Alis ako, gonna have some errands with my friends. So sama kayo din. Yummy! Anong tawag din? Tabog-tabog. Matambay kita.
Ala, ito tingnan. May na.
About to get home kasi mag-carless pa kami. And also, anong oras na din papalit ako ng suot. Guys, I'm here now. Can you hear me? I just changed into shorts. And sandals. Dito na ako kanina. Like, before mag-simba. We need to get them done. We're going home now. Almost 10. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So, second day na talaga siya nag-intro, diba? So, I'll just go out. I'm gonna run some errands. Punta akong school. It's the last day. And also, kunin ko yung ID ko kasi paper pa lang siya, like, national ID ko. That's, yeah, probably gonna eat. Dami pa din i-edit kasi I just filmed it. Actually, gusto ko na din ayusin yung nails ko kasi look, pero gusto ko siyang pagpahingahin muna from all the chemicals. This vlog will be a Christmas break vlog. And yeah, sama kayo with me as usual. Going on a solid 8. Balikan ko ba? Like, hindi kasi siya giving kasi gusto. But it's comfortable.
Here, that's ang daming tao and it's super thick.
I'm kind of craving for popcorn. Bawal siya maalat. I think it was destined na wala daw potato corn. I'm just gonna buy Jayco. It's newly open. Pero like, let's see if sobrang daming tao. I don't think makakabili ako today because sobrang daming pila and I was just up for one donut. And alam naman nagpila pa ako for like that. So, I don't know. Pero medyo na-disappoint na ako. Like, I'm here to eat but wala akong makain. So I'll probably switch na lang ng mall since ang dami talaga tao here because meron silang bagong open ng mga stores. Yeah, medyo nag-crash out na ako. Don't know if makakasakay ba ako agad because it's raining. Sobrang traffic. Robinsons na pala. So rainy and lamig. That's why I ordered lugaw. Hindi masyadong matao here. Not unlike SF. Tagal pa makasakay. It's already 6 p.m. I think. Hi guys, today is December 24 and then nag-bedrock lang ako kahapon, like full day. Today, we're gonna buy some stuffs. So I'm gonna buy some stuffs. Bumili ako ng panglinis ng kuko and I'm gonna buy fake nails kasi Christmas na mamaya and I don't have nails. Also, gonna run some errands. Yung ID ko kahapon na hindi, ay nung isang araw na hindi ko nakuha. I'm gonna get it today. And I'm here again, guys. Naliligaw na ako. Yeah, I don't know where I am. Is it here? So, hindi ko talaga mahanap. So, I'm just gonna eat. And I'm gonna take solo photo booth pics. Okay lang po mag-video.
Okay, smile.
Done. Just gonna print. It's giving. Next is I'm so hungry kaya kakain na tayo. Ayan, here again. Pero this time blueberry naman bibili. It's very Christmas na here. So, all-uwi na. Because it's gonna be Christmas Eve. Hi guys, today is December 25, Thursday. And dumating na yung, red day. And na-drain kahapon yung phone ko. Like, it won't turn on. So, like, I was super stressed. Tapos, need lang pala bumili ng bagong charger. While hindi pa sobrang sakit ng puson ko, I'm just gonna eat. Kasi I haven't eaten all day, like 4 p.m. I'm just gonna eat fast food kasi I've been craving. Wala akong ayos, diba? Kalok. Pinagyan niya ako ng libro. So nice. Siguro magbe-bedrot na ako pa uwi or just edit. So I'm walking home. Kuya was so mabait. Wala kasi akong coins. Like, I only have 12 pesos na coins. And I was asking if may barya siya dun sa buo ko na pera. And he said wala. And sabi ko, 12 pesos lang yung meron ako, kuya. Sabi niya, okay lang daw kasi Pasko naman. I was like, wow, I hope the universe bless him. Today is December 26, Friday. And I'm just gonna run some errands again. Dapat magpapakat na ako ng hair. Kasi sabi ng mom ko, wag muna. Kasi 26 ka lang naman daw. Sabi niya, before New Year, magpagupit na ako ng hair. Tama kayo with me today. Hi guys, today is December 27, Saturday. Actually, nawala na din yung mind ko sa oras and date sa video na to. Today, sabi ko wala akong ganap. I'm just gonna bed rot and fix my things. Pero, alis ako today. I'm just gonna have some coffee with my friends. And then, yun lang. Uwi na. Okay guys, so after may ganap, may sunod pa pala, which is Pangbuwa. Kain tayo. Hi guys, today is December 28th. It's already 9 p.m. So, kakatapos ko na magpa-haircut.
Madala akong practice nila. Pero ibang competition lang. Pero sa ko. Tapos ang nagamanan ko, i-practice na para sa kaugma. Ang sabi lang. Tapos like, di mo bilis pa lang yan. Si Iba.
Okay guys, that's it for